Here's the truth. This only works if you're prepared to rethink everything you think you know about timetabling. A 9-day fortnight doesn't work if you just squeeze 10 days of work into 9. That was non-negotiable for us. So we approached this like a startup. Clear principles, but real autonomy at academy level. We introduced anchor days to protect collaboration and consistency. Mondays in primary, Thursdays in secondary. That gave us structure while still allowing flexibility elsewhere. We protected student contact time. We maintained at least 10% PPA in addition to the 9-day fortnight. Crucially, our schools and college already operated with non-contact time well above that minimum entitlement, which gave us the flexibility to make this work. And we accepted up front that the first few months would be hard, because innovation always is. Timetabling was the biggest challenge. It required senior leadership ownership, creative staffing models, and honest conversations about trade-offs. But we learnt fast, shared what worked, and adapted. This only functions in a high-trust culture where leaders are aligned and staff believe the intent is genuine. And crucially, we're clear on language. This isn't a day off. It's professional flexibility with accountability. This wasn't easy, and we're not pretending we got everything right first time. But if flexibility matters, you design for it. And that is what we did. Figuring out our timetabling was hard, but we learnt a lot along the way. In our next video, I'm sharing 5 specific design rules to support the delivery of this model in your context. It's free, it's open source.